Okay, so the reason for this retake video is because the first retake video I took of this fan in early 2020 with this camera was not good. There were shadows everywhere, and it was dark, and I wasn't used to this camera yet, so yep. So here's a better remake of one of my favorite fans in my collection. Well, retake, I say retake. One of my favorite fans in my collection, and one of the most powerful fans in my collection, and one of the oldest fans in my collection. The Phil Rich might be a little bit older, but I'm not sure. I do need to find some matching paint for this switch housing cap, the canopy as well, because I do want to get the paint pretty accurate. I actually gave this fan a nickname. I deemed it the Killing Machine since it is wildly fast. My dad hates it, and it is pretty close to touching the top of my head. So, since my height is I'm 6'3". This fan, I'd say, hangs 6'6" or 6'7" off the ground. It will not focus, this camera. And it's all oiled up. It's the first time I've used a zoom spout in it, so it's running better than it did when I first had it hanging.